Good morning, everybody. It's Rich here at Flipping for a Living. It's a glorious Thursday morning in my city. Yeah, I'm already out at yard sales on a Thursday. I have a list, looks to be about 12 or 15 that I can go to. So we'll go do that for our day. And I already stopped at my first sale. I didn't start recording yet. My first sale right here. I'll show you when I drive away. And there's another one on the same street here behind me. But I picked up, I already spent 60 bucks. A couple vintage Nerf guns. Like these are from 98. I guess maybe that's not vintage. But even Nerf, the quality has changed over years. You can just tell these have lots of power still in them. And to get these for $1, I've never had a Nerf gun, a 20-year-old Nerf gun before. But I'm going to guess that for $1 each, these are probably going to be worth $20 or $25 each. Just a guess. This I'm showing you is for 60 bucks. Right here, oh, he threw in a little deck of Pokemon cards. Those didn't cost me anything. Magic the Gathering. These are, there's 12 of these in this bag here. Probably 25 or 30 pounds of Magic cards. My best guess is about 6,000. He did say that they're basically probably all commons. I got this for 30 bucks, but I've sold stacks like this before. All commons. I get people trolling me on Facebook. Yeah, I'm going to sell these locally too on Facebook, by the way. Marketplace. I get people trolling me all the time saying, oh, they're commons, they're not worth nothing, I'll give you 20 bucks. And I will sell a stack like this easily for 100. Well, I don't know what's going on here, but that's like still sealed inside of here. So this may be more than just commons, but nonetheless, I'll easily turn that 35, roughly 35 bucks of the purchase was those, into $100. And then a pretty decent stack of vinyl. Some good names in here. Stuff like this, Nazareth, the Rolling Stones, Fleetwood Mac, Elton John. So these worked out to be about Crosby, Stills, Nash. No Young yet. These worked out to be about 75 cents a piece. Stevie Wonder, probably the best one, a Bob Marley. So these are about 75 cents a piece, about 75 cents a piece. Anyways, all that was 60 bucks. I'm easily looking at 200, and that's not knowing for sure what the Nerf guns and these headphones are going to be worth. So, nice little start to the day. And it was at this sale right here. I'll show you quickly. That sale right there. So we're in for 60, and we're already gonna have $150 profit for sure. It's a great way to start a Thursday. This was my next sale, just over my shoulder there across the street. It doesn't look like much from the street, but they do have a fair amount in the garage and a fair amount in the backyard. But I've been to this sale before a couple times over the last decade. It's like a fundraiser, so they get new stuff, but it's not fantastic stuff. It's a elderly group of ladies. I'm not even sure what their fundraiser is. I almost wasn't going to stop, but you guys all know my rule, right? Never do a drive-by. So I did snap up this. It is just a Mastercraft air compressor, but I plugged it in, tested it out. It seems to be working pretty good. Blowing good air, has lots of pressure, and it was just $10 for that. This is a Igloo. Obviously, Igloo is a massive fishing cooler, live catch cooler. Just open your little latch there, fill her up with water, keep them in there. And $5 for that. Should easily get 40 or 50, so that's a nice little flip. Takes up a lot of space, but I'll flip that quick. It's definitely the time of year. Okay, next sale right here. I like the look from the street. this is an old area and there's nobody else around, so I'm hoping there's some good deals in that dingy garage. Let's go have a look.
What should I put?
Behind here.
You sold it.
It's sold. Hope you got the money. I hope you got the money. It's never sold till they pay, right?
We know the person.
That's good.
What was the mention you said?
Yeah.
How much is the vacuum?
What did you want for that little vacuum? 15.
Always one guy who can't take no for an answer, hey? These people respectfully asked me to wait. Their cars are still blocking the driveway and he is just going in there. I got respect for people's property. Those people there have respect. That guy's got no respect. Alright, so that sale with the stalker there who wouldn't listen to the homeowner's request. I got a few things, you know, I wouldn't say I overpaid, but I don't like the margins. I like making 3, 4, 5 times my money. So I got a nice Reebok Winnipeg Jets jersey, still with the tags on it, so I'd call that new. I don't know what's in here exactly, but it's a Broncos jersey. Nike Broncos jersey in the bag. I did not open it. Those are $15 each. I'm hoping to get 45 or 50 for those, so triple my money. And then this is still in the wrapper. Patriots replica helmet. It looks like those are still selling pretty decent, like 75 to 100 bucks, and I paid 20 for that. So maybe not so bad. I mean, I should easily triple my money on that $50 investment. And I'm gonna sell those locally again. I know that a lot of people right away, they're gonna think they gotta go to eBay for those. But I'm willing to take 10 or 15 bucks less per item, not ship it, not pack it, not risk a return. Probably sell it just as quick, if not quicker. If you have a fairly decent sized surrounding area, this would be one of my tips. If you have 250,000, like 250,000 people, if you have like 250,000 people in your area, a little bit more, a little bit less, a little bit of road rage there, don't know if you heard it. I say that's a good number. 150 to 350 in your city or surrounding area. A lot of things you should be selling locally. That's a big enough market, you will find a local buyer and not have all the hassles. Yeah, there's a lot of trolls and tire kickers locally, but you gotta learn how to ignore them. Just ignore them. Those one-click responses, I'm interested. Is this still available? Just ignore those. They're not serious buyers. If they send you another message with a genuine message that they actually had to text, take some time out instead of a one-click, then you know you got them. So yeah, pretty good little find at that sale. Okay, 3 sales left. Hopefully they're good ones. Hopefully we find something rather than nothing. Here's the first one right here.
some of her clothes and shoes.
Oh, she does, eh? Yeah, she always ends up having. Is it a moose?
You know what? It's like always. I don't know what it's called.
You hold it.
Nothing there that caught my attention. And the next one is right here.
There, now it's done. I'll be back. Hello.
Hi there. Oh for 2 on these last 3. Last one's back across the city by my house. Cross your fingers. I want to end the day with a bang. Although it's only a Thursday. We got about 200 profit, maybe 175 for, you know, a couple hours work. I'll take that. But I want more. Last sale right there. Turns out I'm super early, like 45 minutes. I guess I at least got to go ask, right? You go ask 45 minutes early, car's still blocked in the garage.
Are there many signs up in the corner?
No, I didn't.
We have any signs.
I didn't notice. Thursday is a little bit slower, obviously,
Yeah,
but
I just figured, oh well. you
it's
know
a
what?
good day to have it, I think.
And actually, if I would have had it tomorrow, I probably would be doing this at this time tomorrow. So now I'll be ready. for
Right.
tomorrow.
Good plan.
So,
Good plan.
but this is, I got different people involved in here. And
Oh, you gotta.
my son and granddaughter who aren't going to be here tonight. There's a family in Calgary that.
Hi there.
and stuff. And
Oh wow.
so it's just all kind of a mishmash.
It's a big family affair. Well, that's good.
And we have Chinese students with us, so she found a few things. So make sure they're not Chinese.
0 for 3 on those last 3 sales. That's unfortunate. But again, it's only Thursday, so short little, tight little video for you guys, just to wet our whistle before Friday and Saturday. I know they'll be much more profitable. But you know, put in a couple hours on a Thursday, get out on a beautiful day, make a couple $100 profit still. It's worth it for me, that's for sure. Working for yourself, driving around on a gorgeous day and making $200. I'll take that any day. Hey guys, so rewind a little bit. Actually, I know you're not rewinding because I've already inserted this back into the video before we end the video. But I was just sitting in my garage posting a couple things, and I was checking on one of my ads because that cooler that I bought for $5, I posted it for 40, and I had 9 people within 20 minutes that would have bought it. I literally could have sold probably 10 of them for that price, so I way undervalued it, obviously, but you know, still happy with $40 off of 5. But as I was looking at that post, I saw a post pop up for a garage sale in the buy and sell section. It had been posted 42 minutes ago. They were selling DVDs 5 for $1. They had a 60-inch flat screen TV that they were asking $150 for. And long story short, I jumped in my car and I whipped up there and I messaged them as I'm flying up there. They didn't answer me. I just sprint in the backyard almost, and I I ended up buying every movie they had and the TV for $160. Oh, and a bike for $5 that I'm just gonna use for parts. Maybe I'll show you that project another day. But 160 bucks because they were selling those movies 5 for $1. At my garage sale, I sell movies $1 each or 7 for $5. So I'm literally making $4 every time I sell a bundle, and that may not seem like much to you, but I will sell 15 to 20 bundles. So that's $60 to $80 I will make off those movies, no problem. Probably even closer to 100 if I sell them all. And I've done this for several years. I sell tons of movies at $1 a piece or 7 for $5. And now I'm home, and the TV. There it is. 60-inch LG TV. 60-inch LG TV with remote. I made sure that they plugged in a DVD player, put a movie on, and I checked the screen to make sure that there wasn't any pixelating or damage, yada yada yada. So long story short, just added off a $160 purchase, I know I'm gonna make probably $250 to add to the day, so that makes Thursday a lot better. I think I'm gonna post this TV right away today. I might put it up for $350, take the first $300, but I might keep it and swap it out for one of my own. Either way, pretty happy about that scoop. It's like 11 minutes to get there and 11 minutes back, plus the 15 minutes I dealt with them, so a half hour of my time. And we're gonna make some great money off of that. So, love it. Thanks for coming for this brief little ride along. We'll do better tomorrow, I promise. If you have any questions or comments, you guys throw them in that comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. I hope you guys all have great success thrifting this weekend. And I hope you all have a great day and love what you do.